that patent infringement is not defined as such in our Patent Act, that is Indian Patents Act 1970. But in the US Patent Act, the definition is given, and that says that except as otherwise provided in the title, whosoever, please listen carefully, whosoever without authority make, use, offer, sell or sells any patented invention within United States or imports into United States any patented invention during the term of patent, therefore infringes the patent. So, it very clearly says importation, then it talks about the rights of a patent, in short that is make, use, offer, to sell and sells. So, somebody if enter into that unauthorized, and then if importing in US, that is causing infringement, that is the, we can say, as per their definition, their act definition, it is a infringement.